All right, we've waited a little bit, let this dry because we put it on with application fluid. I did want to say that application fluid, you can buy that or you can make your own. If you're just going to do a few decals, you can put some Dawn dish soap into some water, into a spray bottle, shake it up, and that will work too. One thing that I found also is if you spray the top of the application tape and get it a little bit damp after everything's set, you can rub that around and it has a tendency to release the glue from the application tape. So you want to carefully just pull back. Again, you don't want to pull out. You want to pull a sharp angle against the decal, making sure that you don't lift any of the decal. Everything looks good. We're going to take a towel and just kind of go over everything very carefully, wiping off the application fluid, making sure that all the decals are set. If you have any that seem to want to come up, just work the bubble out. If there is any, work the fluid out. You can use your thumb. Usually works pretty good on small letters like this. If you have anything that's peeled up and not wanting to stick, you can also use a heat gun and put on that. But it appears these laid very flat, easy, workable, looks good.